Hello. Today I'm going to talk about how to build a PC gaming chair. Gaming has become much more involved than it used to be. Many gaming systems now require users to play the game with their entire body, pressing pedals with their feet while manipulating controls and wheels with their hands. The days of the Atari joystick have long since passed us by. Avid gamers are looking for comfortable chairs to relax in while they master these new digitally loaded and interactive games. Instructions. Things you'll need. 1/2 inch plywood. 2 inch by 6 inch lumber. Circular saw. Wood screws. Drill. Measuring tape. Chair foam. Utility knife. Wood glue. Material. Staple gun. Scissors. 1. Cut 2 pieces of 2 inch by 6 inch lumber to 36 inches with the saw. Cut 2 more pieces to the length of 24 inches. These pieces will make the seat of the chair. 2. Cut the 2 pieces of 2 inch by 6 inch lumber that will be used for the back supports to 30 inches in length. 3. Position the 2 shorter pieces of 2 by 6 wood so they are parallel to each other and flush with the ends of the longer seat pieces to build the frame of the seat. The end result should be a rectangular shape. 4. Secure the pieces of the seat together with wood screws that are inserted through the sides of the longer side pieces and into the ends of the shorter pieces. Repeat this process at each of the corners. 5. Cut a piece of 1/2 inch plywood to 24 inches by 36 inches. Place the cut plywood on top of the chair seat frame and secure it in place with wood screws. 6. Measure 6 inches in from both back corners of the seat and mark the location. Attach the back support braces at the marked locations with straight brackets and wood screws. Position the braces so they are flush with the back edge of the seat and place the straight brackets so that one end is secured into the back brace and the other is secured into the frame board of the seat. Repeat for the other back support. 2 straight brackets should be used per back support. 7. Cut a piece of chair foam to measure 24 inches by 36 inches with a utility knife. Cut another piece that measures 24 inches by 30 inches. 8. Spread the seat of the chair with wood glue and press the 24 inch by 36 inch piece of chair foam on top of the seat. Repeat this process for the back of the chair. Allow the glue to dry overnight. 9. Lay the material over the seat of the chair. Slide the edge of the material in between the foam of the seat and the foam on the back of the chair. 10. Pull the material tight over the chair foam and staple the fabric to the wood on the underside of the chair with the staple gun. Cut off the excess material. 11. Pull the material tight over the back of the chair and staple the edge of the fabric to one side on the back side of the chair. 12. Stretch the other edge of the material to the side that has the fabric already stapled. Fold the rough edge of the material under and staple it into place. Thanks for watching. See you soon.